Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we have a family photo shoot in Gander. So we're all getting ready to do that. I have my face done, but I have to finish my hair. The kids are in. Hey! Hey! What's happening? Oh, are you in a tangle? Okay, wait. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness.
What's that thing?
Jackson's in a diaper because he has a tendency to pee in the bed sometimes. So he's in a diaper since last night and we haven't got him dressed yet because I'm waiting until we get ready to go. Hi. Hey. Can you show your sexy hair? Listen, can you show him your hair? Oh yeah, I got nice hair. Look, let's see your hair. Oh yeah. Oh.
Whoa. Look at me.
So we have to pick up groceries and stuff too today for Darren for when he goes back to work. He's home as well, but he told me to not live vlog until he gets a shower. So.
You know what this thing does?
What does that mean?
It makes it turn around.
Oh wow.
And this one makes it dry.
Yeah, cool.
You see it? Spins.
Whoa.
Spins real fast.
Yeah. What you got?
He got my bike.
So I'm gonna go finish my hair and get dressed, and then I'll probably dress down and I'll come back in there. Can you show them your outfit? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we're almost ready now to leave to go to Gander. We're gonna get some dinner in Gander, so we're going to my grandmother's. Look at that. Aha. Get too much energy. It's cold. It's here too. Whoa! Wow! Jack, show mom your outfit. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Woo woo! Do spin. Well, are you dizzy? Okay, go. Dad, put your coat on now. So I'm gonna finish and put my coat and stuff on, and then we're gonna head to Gander. So we'll see you in there. Boo. I see ya. Where's Wyatt? Where's he too? Wyatt. Boo. I see ya. Where's Wyatt too? I see ya. Where's Yeah, it was a lot of snow. Oh, the sun. So we just got done our pictures. And it was cold. It was very cold. I think they turned it really nice. Jackson and Wyatt are froze. Are you cold? Hey, babe? Are you cold? Oh, you're cold, yeah. Jack, are you cold? Hey? But Ashley Normores, who's done our pictures, she has done all of our family pictures since I had Jackson, I think. Yeah, since I had Jackson. Oh, Pop had you. Yeah. So we always go to her. She's awesome. She does a great job. So now we're gonna go. Darren has to get his work groceries. He heads to work again on Monday. So we're gonna run and get his groceries and then we'll check in. So we just got done shopping and now we're on the way home. Did you guys have fun shopping?
This is getting over me.
Eat it.
It's getting over me.
Eat it.
It's getting chocolate over me.
Give it to brother. Brother, eat it. What? When we get home, I may give you a big one, okay?
A big longer?
Yeah. Just look how pretty it is. Okay, in a second. Just look outside. Look at all the trees. How pretty it is.
Wow.
I know. buy the camera when we get home. And hopefully I'll buy more. What was that?
The baby.
Oh, it's got in there. So we just got home from Gander. And someone fell asleep in the car. Did you fall asleep in the car? And now you're tired. Yeah. Oh. Oh. And Jack, you fell asleep too, didn't you? Yes, you did. I picked up some of these in Walmart because these are my all-time favorite chocolates. Like caramel, whatever you want to call it.
What are these?
That's Mom's. Can Mom eat all them?
No.
Mom's cold. It is -3 and it is cold. Darren's bringing in the groceries while we get warm. I bought the kids event calendars too. Event calendars, whatever you want to call it. The countdown to Christmas. I got them today too. Wyatt wanted dinosaur and Jackson wanted Paw Patrol, so that's theirs. But yeah, I don't think we'll be at much tonight. What are you guys doing? Hey? What are you doing?
I need to get them.
No, you can't get them. I got it all trapped up so you can't get none. They're Mom's. They're all mine.
Hey.
So I think we might play a little bit with the kids. And we have to find the cats first because the cats are missing right now. Oh, I want to show you guys my Christmas decor. Well, some of it. Oh, I can't see it. Okay. So, you still can't see it. I bought these little Christmas trees into the dollar store. And I put these like lights on them. And this is my moose that my aunt and they gave me last year. And I just put some of this together. I don't have it all done yet. And then this. And another tree there.
Can you give me one?
Yes, Mommy, get you one in a second. I don't have it all done yet, but when I do, I'll do like the full on like tour when I put my tree up and stuff. Like I'll show you guys everything. Should have it done by like next week, maybe, or the first week in December. You don't want one?
No.
Well, Mama have one. But I want. I bought these at the dollar store today, and I think, like, look how nice that is for the dollar store. And they were at $2.50. I mean, that's so nice. I think they are. Oops. I'm gonna put here at my tree, and I put some bulbs on this one as well, and some lights. I think it looks so nice. And then there was this one that I thought looked so nice with my tree. And Darren is packing his stuff for work because we bought this groceries today, so he's just putting it away so that it's out of our way. And I bought this guy. I thought he would be nice to buy the Christmas stuff. And this one says "Wish you a Merry Christmas," and that one there was $2 too. Yeah. So I moved the moose here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it there. I don't know what I'm doing with anything yet. I'm just testing stuff out. There's something in my eye. So we let Milo outside before we went to Gander, and he hasn't come back in. Hey, Bubba. But I don't think I've introduced you guys yet to Turbo. He is my cat that I got in college, and when I moved back home after college, he stayed at my dad's down, and this is him. He's hiding away right now because he's still not used to it here. Hey, Mouse baby. He said, "I know it's my mom." Ow! See? He's very uneasy. He's not. We don't let him, like, the kids aren't allowed to play with him because he's not used to kids. He's not used to, like, being in a house full of people. He's just used to being out with dads. And that's it. That's like, he knows my dad. And he still, like, when he goes outdoors now, he still runs right back to my dad's. If it doesn't work out, he'll go back up my dad's and he'll just be comfortable there. But I really want him home with us. I love him. He's my puss, even though he's evil and hates people. But he's sweet. It's just he has to warm up to everybody and everything that's going on here. It's a different environment here, and it's a lot of go and kids and just everything. So once he gets used to it, he'll be okay. Hey, my bird. Hey. Is it the camera? It must be the camera. Is it? Hi, my bird. Push. Turbo. He's like, just leave me alone. I want to sleep. Turbo. Baby. Yeah, so that's him. So just wanted to introduce you guys to him because you'll probably see him in the vlogs a little bit now if he ever decides to love us and let us be his forever home. We'll see. But Milo is still missing. And now it's snowing. Milo! Come on, puss! Come on, puss, 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 puss. Milo! Come on, puss! Come on, puss, 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 puss. Still no sign of him, so we'll probably put food and stuff out for him tonight just in case, and we'll probably get up and check, but it's just weird for him not to come back. And there's so much snow, and this is his first time in snow. I'm a little bit nervous, so hopefully he comes back soon. And the kids are still sat in here. Been there for like last hour, eh? In here. Go poop then. Here, Wyatt. So they're just watching TV and I'm cooking some supper. And we're gonna eat that. What?
Wait till you're done.
What? What you gotta tell me?
Where's my jacket at?
What jacket?
When it said it was on the room.
Not in the closet. Oh, you know what? I worn up Dad's. That's where's too. I can get it for you tomorrow. I'm not getting. Milo came back. And push. Push. Hi. And he's had at least like 10 lunches since he came back. But he came back with like...
I'm playing with helicopter.
You want to show? I'm playing with helicopters? Oh. But he came back with like oil or something on his skin, on his fur. Oh, you can't see it. Yeah.
Skis.
Oh, cool. Skis. So we're gonna give him a bath now because I don't want him staying with oil. I don't know if he went like in someone's vehicle or someone wasted it and he was rolling in it. But it looks like it was like dropping onto his fur for a little bit. So we're gonna attempt to give him a bath.
He's not balling.
Okay, Mom's done with lumber. I'm almost done. Let's get the clothes off and then we're done. Oh, okay. Stay there. I'm done. You got
I'm
me.
squatting against the bed though.
I'm not, but...
Can I stop now?
Be the bad guy.
Is you the bad guy? No, my pussers. So, we just bathed him as you see. Oh my goodness. He said, Mommy was mad. No. So I'm going to keep in this towel and drying out the best I can. I'm sorry. I still love you though. Oh my goodness. I'm saying I feel so bad. But I said he couldn't leave oil in the skin. I mean, if it was like some sticky or whatever, you lick it out. But I mean, you can't lick oil off of stuff. So we had no other choice but to bath him. He didn't take very well, but at least he's over it. Oh, okay. Puss. What man do? Aw, might get you a treat. Come on, might get you a treat. Wibbles. He's so mad. What'd you do with his treat? Oh. A treat? You want us to give him one? Yeah, there's not many in there. Can you get them?
I want to.
Right there.
Oh, he won't tell. Yes. Can't record where there's lights too, because like beams comes in. Look at his hair. He even got my hair wet.
Some more in the woods in there.
So it's not.
You're so courageous.
There we go. What's going on in here? I think he's making a mess.
He make a mess.
Asking, is he cleaning up?
Yeah.
What'd he do? He made a garage.
Oh God.
Wyatt, did Dad make a garage for your car? And a barn for your animals? What's in there? So it's time to go to bed now. So I'm putting on. What do you guys want to watch? Listen, what are you guys gonna watch? What do you want to watch? Do you want to watch Ranger Rob or Paw Patrol? Wyatt, what do you want to watch? Paw Patrol? Paw Patrol? Okay. So they're still watching it on my laptop because we haven't fixed their TV yet. My dad is going to fix it. Wyatt broke a piece off in the, I don't know what you want to call it, the plug things or whatever. So it needs to be fixed. So my dad is going to fix that for us when he gets a chance or when I can remember to bring it up. Well, listen, can you guys say good night?
Good night.
But thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and join our family. And we'll see you in our next vlog. Say good night. Say good night. You want to hit it?